Dear viewers, today I am going to solve Java Week 5 question number 1. So here we have to create a class A which implements the interface number. So I am simply creating a class A implements number. Inside this class simply I have to create one method, that is public int find square. Inside this method we have to simply return the square of the number, so return I into I. That's all. This is the code. I am going to submit. First compile. So as you can see, my both test case passed, so I am going to submit my code. So my private test case also passed. So if you have any queries, then you can mail me on studiesfun@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please click on like button. Thank you.